Cleaning your Ortho-K lenses. Once you remove your lenses in the morning, you'll need to clean them well to ensure they're ready to wear again in the evening. Here are the products we recommend for cleaning. The Boston Advanced Cleaner helps remove deposits such as lipids and proteins. The saline or multi-purpose contact lens solution is used to rinse off the cleaner. The Boston Advanced Conditioner is an extra step to ensure all the cleaner is removed well and cushions the lens for added comfort. The ClearCare solution is a preservative-free, hydrogen peroxide-based cleaning and disinfecting system. Now we're ready to begin. Make sure you wash your hands well before handling your Ortho-K lenses. Once you've removed your lens, place it in the palm of your hand. Add 2 to 3 drops of Boston Cleaner on the lens and rub it for 20 seconds. Use your pinky and make sure you're not applying too much pressure because lenses can break. Use a radial, then circular cleaning pattern to get into all the grooves of the lens. Turn the lens over and clean the other side. Use a saline or a multi-purpose contact lens cleaning solution to rinse off the cleaner. Make sure you rinse it thoroughly. Dry off your hand and apply 2 to 3 drops of conditioner to the lens. Rub both sides thoroughly. Open the ClearCare case basket and put the lens in the correct chamber. One side is marked right and the other left. Repeat the cleaning procedure for the other lens. Fill the ClearCare case with a hydrogen peroxide cleaning solution up to the line. The platinum disc in the case activates bubbles to clean your lenses by neutralizing the hydrogen peroxide into saline. Twist the lid shut and wait a minimum of 6 hours for the peroxide to be neutralized. The lenses are clean and safe to wear again. Here are some important tips and reminders. All bottles with a red cap are not safe to be in contact with your eyes. This includes the Boston Cleaner and ClearCare cleaning solution. Change your ClearCare case whenever you start a new bottle of ClearCare solution. The platinum disc in the case is effective for 100 uses or approximately 3 months. If the ClearCare solution bubbles excessively and overflows out of the case, this usually means there is still some Boston Cleaner on the lens. Make sure it's rinsed off well. Please follow our extra steps in our cleaning guidelines for added safety and comfort in your Ortho-K lenses. Thanks for watching.